If you're trying to import a MOGRT file into Premiere Pro and you can't find it in your Essential Graphics panel or Premiere won't let you use it, here's the correct way to install and use MOGRTs in Premiere Pro. This works for lower thirds, titles, transitions, and any motion graphics template. First, open Premiere Pro and make sure the Captions and Graphics panel is visible. Once the panel appears, click on the Graphics Templates tab. This is where you import all your MOGRT templates. Now click the plus folder icon to install a single MOGRT template. It looks like a little square with the plus icon. Select your .mogrt file from your computer and click Open. Premiere will import it instantly and the template will appear in your Essential Graphics library. If you want to install a MOGRT folder, then click the plus icon again. Now select your MOGRT folder from your computer and click Select Folder. Now expand the Local Templates section and select your MOGRT folder. Drag it directly onto your timeline like a normal clip. You can customize the text, colors, size, position, animations, and any controls included in the template. If your MOGRT still doesn't show up, make sure it's compatible with Premiere Pro and not an After Effects only template. That's it. Once you install it correctly, your MOGRT files will work like any built-in title or graphic inside Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.